To go to Rob's and pick up some bait. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go out and test the jet skis. Now they're finally serviced and everything's ready, so we decided to go fishing. And we're actually sitting here getting ready now. So hopefully we'll be leaving in another few minutes, and then we'll see what it actually gets. We have no clue where this day is gonna bring us, but let's see what it comes up with and stay tuned, and then you'll probably follow us on the endeavors that we have out there. Anyway, welcome back, and if you don't mind, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, share with someone. That'll help me out, a lot of other people out, and I hope you enjoy it as well. So let's get started. So, leaving Cape Coral. Well, I know you're wondering why I'm filming this, but I have a very good friend of mine that lives right here, so I just want to let him know that his house is actually absolutely fine and looks good. Everything is in normal order, and look forward to seeing him in September. Such a nice day here in Cape Coral this morning. Look at this. Water is completely calm, and it's just time to go out and catch a shark. So this is a one family house. Definitely big. It could be a complete hotel. Look at this. It's really beautiful. Unbelievable. Anyway, this is just before we came out, and we're going to join the sound outside. A lot of other people are here as well, joining us today. Catch one. It's a perfect place. You see all this activity in the mirror down there on the top, on the surface? Look how they jump in. Catch one, let's go for it. There's plenty of fish down it.
They don't want my shirt. It's coming. It's coming this way.
Did it come off?
It was a shark. Did you see it? It was a shark.
It was a shark.
A
big one.
Mine.
Jaws.
Yes.
There we go. I think it's running. I don't know. This could be anything, because it just went like whoop, straight down. Clean attack actually. Here we go. Let's see.
Whee! Oh, it's a nice one.
It's a nice one.
What?
It's a snapper.
That's definitely dinner. You're not gonna let it go, right?
No, this is big enough. But I just need
sure.
to check if it's snapper season. I don't know yet. Whoop. He's big.
Oh, he's
Look
nice.
at this one. Nice.
That's it.
Look at this. Look at the teeth on him.
Oh no.
Look at that. Wow, he's beautiful.
He's nice.
Sometimes you're lucky.
Whatever, dude.
Sometimes. Let's see if it's actually snapper season. And get him out first. He's beautiful. I need your the D-hooker. If you don't have one of these to your circular hooks, you should get one. This is unbelievably smart, and it just comes off by itself, more or less.
It's really good though.
Yeah. Oops. There we go. Now we can keep it until find out if it's actually snapper season or not. Well done.
Awesome. It's gonna go away.
There it went. It jumped off, darling.
I know.
Yeah, that was a trout.
Fuck.
There's more. Put more on. Put the Another strip. We'll see what happens. Look at all the mullets coming right there. There's activity all over. And all the way up here as well. It's beautiful. Wow. But you gotta be quick there, huh?
He doesn't want to stay. He just ate my food, my whole thing.
Man, that could be a shark.
That is definitely a shark. I told you, I'm just catching shark. That's for sure.
I think it's a trout, I'm not sure.
A baby shark.
Nope. I think it's a trout. Small one. Ah. Oh, he's a good one.
Whee!
Over here. It's a ladyfish.
Yeah?
Yeah. You gotta keep him for bait so you catch a shark.
Okay.
Okay, I got him. Wait. There you go.
Nice.
There we go. They just make a lot of mess in your boat. Ladyfish. The best thing for shark bait.
Huh.
They're making a lot of mess too though.
Ew.
So he's going down and we're gonna catch a shark. Yay! Go down there. Bye. I have to go that way around because there's no water there, and then in. Oh, ouch. So beautiful here. Look. There's a thunderstorm coming, so we have to move. We're right now touring it over at something called Pine Island, and we're going through the canals. It's kind of cool here. It's beautiful. People living in between the trees, as you can see, and it's absolutely a nice environment. There are some old houses too, but everything from sailboats to whatever, and we're on the way up to see if we can find a place to have lunch up here. There should be a nice little bar and a restaurant just around the corner up in the end. Saloon from the waterside. We normally drive here on motorbikes, but now we just sail up here in jet skis. That's more fun. It's in the harbor, as you can see. Really neat, and live music. Yeah. I want to love her, but I don't know how. I'm at the bottom of the jailhouse now, maybe living all like hell. Nice with lunch. Not fish, but it's good. And with music and everything. Look. There's a drive-in bar, sail-in bar, whatever you want, called Ragdash Saloon or Ragdash Ducks. Live music just around the corner. It's really cool. Food's good too, as you can see. Well, we just found this little nice spot here. Now we're going to try to catch some shark. I just saw a fish on the depth finder there. As you can see, the position should be on there somewhere as well, but anyway, as you can see, we're about 19 feet of water. Still, there's not a lot. Here's where we're going to catch it on. That's a ladyfish caught up, and now we're going to go and lower it to the bottom and see if we can catch a shark.
You got a shark!
Got him!
You got a fucking shark.
We got a shark! Well, I told you there's a shark.
Oh my god, you got a freaking shark.
How about him, huh?
The baby was bigger than his mouth. Oh,
easy. He's too small, this guy.
You sure?
Yeah. But he's a shark.
Wait!
Hey. Shark, all right.
Oh my god.
5 minutes of sharks. What do you mean? That's a juvenile. I think it's a bull, small bull.
It's not going to be a megalodon?
Whee! Yay! Let's get a bigger one. Yeah. You had something. Try it again. I'm just catching shark here.
No, I think I should.
Get down there.
He ate it.
Yeah, put it down again. He's gonna eat it again.
Really?
Yes.
Why did you think it's enough fish in there?
I've just encountered the first time in my life that a shark actually bit the steel wire over. This is the steel wire, and it just caught over like boom, like nothing. I never saw it.
It was hungry.
Hungry?
Yep.
There we go. Yeah, we got fish on. And I think it's a big one this time. Let's see him. Oh, don't go into my ankle line.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Shark, I guess. Let's see him. Yay! Catfish! The biggest catfish I've ever caught. Jesus Christ, he's big.
That's big.
He's going out, but he's there. We're about to go ahead and pack up all the stuff because now we caught a shark, we caught some catfish, and it's been great so far. It's very warm, so we got to find a place we can go for a swim. Now we're on Picnic Island. Well, this is Picnic Island. It is absolutely beautiful. As you can see here, people are fishing, enjoying themselves. We put the skis up here as well. It's like a little nature harbor inlet. There's a lot of fish on the inside here as well. The water is significantly warmer on this side than it is on this side. But it's clear over here, a little bit more current as well. So much better. You catching fish there?
I'm feeding them.
It's really cool. We just got a whole bunch of small fish here, and they're coming as soon as she actually stirs off the bottom. Let's have a look right in front of her fingers.
Look, this is a nice one. Already?
I got no feelings here.
That's like that.
All over.
This thing is on you.
Yeah.
Right?
This thing is on.
That thing. The camera. Oh, more little fishes.
More fish?
Tiny little ones.
It's a huge manatee. You see him?
Yeah.
He's got a scar though. I think he's got hit. You see him there?
Yeah.
He's kind of drifting.
Yeah.
Beautiful one. Now he's coming up. Look. Oh, he's beautiful. Look. Oh, he's cool. Whoops. He's got a lot of scars. You see that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sad. He's an old guy. Wow. It's sad when people hit him with the propellers, huh? Guys, if you cannot see it, this is actually snooks standing right there too. See it? Right there. Oh, there we go. I hope you saw it, but actually over on the other side over there, you can see them standing neck to neck, right there. That snook, all of them. Unbelievable. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 big snooks right here. Right on these that lights in the middle, this little light beam, that's fish all of them. Incredible, huh? And then if you look over there, you can see them too. They're everywhere. The whole dog is filled up with snook. The whole dog is filled up with snook. Right here as well. Just caught a red grouper here. Looks really nice. Look at him here in the mouth. Look at it, cool. It's all red in there. Beautiful. He needs to be a lot bigger, but he tastes nice when he gets bigger too. It's a grouper. It's really nice. Well done. Do you want me to take it off? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Another small grouper came up. Immediately was the catcher. And here it is. Let's go ahead and get it out. Whoops, down it goes.
It's the same thing we have, it's just this is higher.
It's higher and it does a more obstructive.
Yeah, it's right up.
Right. This is good. Steak burger with marinara sauce and a whole bunch of
Wow,
stuff.
that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
They told me,
This
they're
is
like, we
good.
brought it out. I said,
There you go.
Fucking knows.
It's the Osprey.
He knows.
Yeah, that's how he talks. See if we can get him to talk again. There you go.
So you're having a conversation for that. He's answering you.
Yeah, he is. See?
Oh my gosh, nice.
I'm just talking with the Osprey.
yeah,
He's sitting on palm tree, you see?
now I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's so cool.
It is cool. Jump.
Do you want to be dead live or you want to be...
No arms, no cookies. Jump.
I can. I can.
That's so cool, dolphins.
3 of them.
3 of them. Oh, that's cool. They're on the way in for fishing. Get some food. 4. There's 4 of them.
Really?
Yeah, see 2 there. Oh, that's cool. So this was the end of a nice day today with a lot of fishing going on and actually a lot of sharks and all kinds of stuff. So I guess there was a little bit of everything. Anyway, this is the snapper we caught and this is going to be our dinner tonight. So a little bit of penne with snapper fresh from the ocean basically, all sorted out. Anyway, I would like you to like and subscribe if you have a chance for it. I hope you enjoyed the scenery today and we'll come back with another video later. See you next time.